Alright, go.
Man, that was cold.
I know. It's a refreshing. We made it.
Yeah. Show the camera.
We were on the top of that. Oh.
Show the camera your bloody nose.
Does it still have blood? See? Oh, yep. I'm bleeding a little bit. Water got in my nose. Don't freak out, honey, please. Love you, baby. Alright, that was fun.
Yeah. What I did was, when I came down, I just went... instead of just bending my knees, I went like that.
Good idea. Yeah.
You can tell?
Kind of. We're gonna get in the water again. That was fun.
Yeah.
Dude, we climb on top of that and then we jump. And then we're making it back. We're still on top of the third fall.